Hello trivia friends and all you clever people, welcome back to Detormentis. My name is Sean, I hope that you are doing well. Today's quiz is all about your culinary skills. How much do you know about food? Could you possibly be a chef? There are 80 questions in this quiz that will test everything you know about food, drink, the preparation and identification of various foods. Keep track of how many questions you can answer correctly. Check the end of the video to see which rank you managed to get. Remember, this is just a fun quiz and not a culinary school exam. It's just for fun. Let's start the quiz. Question 1. Which of these is used to make Nutella? Number 2. Which vegetable has been julienned? Number 1. Which of these is sautéing? Number 1. Which one is an induction stovetop? Number 2. Which of these is a fish knife? Number 1. Which of these is a spatchcock chicken? Number 1. Which are poached eggs? Number 2. Which of these is jerky? Number 1. Which of these is fettuccine? Number 2. And which of these is a T-bone steak? Number 2. The 100 pleats in a chef's hat symbolizes the 100 ways a chef knows how to cook a egg, potato or onion. An egg. Pasta is perfectly cooked when it is al dente, al fresco or a la mode. Al dente. What is the term for cooking food slowly in liquid just below boiling point? Is it searing, broiling or simmering? It is called simmering. What type of wine is typically paired with seafood? White wine, red wine or champagne? White wine. Which herb is the main ingredient in pesto sauce? Is it saffron, thyme or basil? The correct answer is basil. Which mother sauce is used in lasagna? Is it Espagnole, bechamel or hollandaise? Bechamel. Which chef is second in command in a kitchen? Is it the commis chef, the line chef or the sous chef? It is the sous chef. In a restaurant, what title is given to a wine server? Is it a busser, a sommelier, or a maitre d'? It's the sommelier. What rice is most commonly used to make risotto? Is it arborio, basmati, or jasmine? Arborio. Which is the process of pouring wine into a special container to separate it from sediment? Is it aeration, decanting, or breathing? It is decanting. Identify what you see. What spice is this? Nutmeg. What is this? Garlic. What do we have here? Rosemary. Do you know what this is? It's cinnamon. And this? Cloves. What is this? Ginger. And this? Anise. What do we have here? It's cardamom. And this? It's basil. Black pepper. And it is time for the bonus question. Which Italian term is often used for dining outdoors? If you know the answer, share it in the comments, and if you are enjoying this quiz, please leave a like and consider subscribing. It really helps. Now, back to the quiz. Can you name each dish? What pastry is this? Loved by Napoleon, it's milfaux. What is this? Kimchi. Do you know what this is? Steak tartare. Samosas. Do you know what this is? It's tempura. This is a beef Wellington. What do we have here? It's baklava. Do you know what this is? Dim sum. And this? These are cinnamon rolls. This is fur. What type of knife is this? It's a cheese knife. What appliance is this? It is a deep fryer. Do you know what this is? It's a wok. And this? It's a pasta ladle. What do we have here? Easy, it's oven mitts. Do you know what this is? It's a hand blender. And this? It's a fish spatula. It's a piping bag. What is this? It's a fondue set. And what's this? A cheese slicer. Identify this dish. It's caviar. Do you know what this is? Paella. Falafel. It's tamale. What is this? Tiramisu. What do we have here? Spaghetti bolognese. And what's this? Haggis. Do you know what this is? It's maki. What's this? It's shawarma. Can you name this dessert? It's pavlova. What do you call cooking meat slowly in its own fat? Is it confit, compote or coulis? It is called confit. What type of pastry is used to make eclairs? Is it short crust, phyllo pastry or choux pastry? Choux pastry. What milk is used to make camembert cheese? Is it cow, goat or sheep's milk? It is made from cow's milk. What do you call a drink served before a meal to stimulate the appetite? Is it an aperitif, digestif or amari? It's an aperitif. What is the highest amount of Michelin stars a restaurant can achieve? Is it 10, 5 or 3 stars? 3 Michelin stars. From which side should wine be poured when serving guests? The left or right side or over their head? The right side. What do you call the small cubes of toasted bread often served in salads and soups? Is it panquettes, croutons or toastlets? It is called croutons. What spice gives curry powder its yellow color? Is it paprika, saffron or turmeric? The correct answer is turmeric. Which nut is used to make marzipan? Is it almonds, hazelnuts or peanuts? It's almonds. Which vegetable is used to make sauerkraut? Is it cabbage, cauliflower or spinach? Cabbage. Identify what you see. What is this? Raspberries. What do we have here? It's an aubergine or eggplant. What's this? Artichoke. What is this? Kiwi fruit. It's a star fruit. Do you know what this is? Zucchini. And what's this? Chickpeas. What do we have here? Passion fruit. What nuts are these? Brazil nuts. And finally, what is this? It's a butternut squash. And there we go, we have reached the end of this culinary quiz. How many questions were you able to answer? Take a look which rank you managed to get and share your results in the comments below. Also, don't forget to answer the bonus question. Which Italian term is often used for dining outdoors? If you know the answer, share it in the comments, and if you enjoyed this quiz, please leave a like and consider subscribing. It really helps. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next quiz.